Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech Help Sourav. I am Sourav Dutta and today in this video I am going to show you how to fix the PC must support TPM 2.0 on a Gigabyte motherboard for Windows 11. TPM 2.0 is a mandatory security requirement for installing Windows 11. First restart your computer and repeatedly press the delete key during the boot up. After entering the BIOS settings, then go to the peripherals menu bar. After navigation to the peripheral option, you will see that the AMD CPU FTPM is disabled. Please enable it first. Then go to the trusted computing option and press the enter key. And you will notice that the security device support option is disabled. Please enable this as well. After enable the option, save the BIOS settings by pressing the F10 key on the keyboard. As soon as you save the BIOS settings, the computer will restart. Proceed to install Windows 11. I hope you won't encounter any issue. You will now be able to install Windows 11 without any problem. If TPM 2.0 is disabled, you will not be able to install Windows 11 on your computer. Therefore, must be enable it in your BIOS. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubt related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.